Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you some of the best tips and tricks for visiting Paris. Tip number 1. How to choose the best time and places to visit. Paris is a big city with different neighborhoods, each with its own charm and vibe. Depending on your preferences and budget, you might want to stay in different areas of the city. For example, if you want to be close to the main attractions and museums, you might want to stay in the 1st or 4th arrondissement. If you want to experience the bohemian and artistic side of Paris, you might want to stay in the 18th arrondissement. If you want to enjoy the nightlife and shopping, you might want to stay in the 8th or 9th arrondissement. The best time to visit Paris depends on what you want to see and do. Generally speaking, Paris is beautiful all year round, but some seasons have their advantages and disadvantages. For example, spring is a lovely time to visit Paris, as the weather is mild and the flowers are blooming. However, spring is also peak season for tourists, which means higher prices and longer lines. Summer is also a popular time to visit Paris, as the weather is warm and sunny, and there are many festivals and events happening. However, summer can also be very hot and crowded, and some places might be closed for holidays. Autumn is a great time to visit Paris, as the weather is cool and crisp, and the colors are changing. Autumn is also less crowded than spring and summer, which means lower prices and shorter lines. Winter is a good time to visit Paris if you don't mind the cold and rain. Winter is also low season for tourists, which means cheaper flights and accommodation. Winter is also a magical time to visit Paris, as the city is decorated with lights and Christmas markets. Tip number 2. Save time and money by booking skip-the-line tickets. The Paris Pass skip-the-line tickets are tickets that allow you to bypass the long queues at some of the most popular attractions in Paris, such as the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre, or Versailles. You can book these tickets online in advance or on the same day using apps like TK's or Get Your Guide. Skip-the-line tickets can save you hours of waiting in line, especially during peak season. The Paris Pass is a card that gives you free access to over 60 attractions in Paris, including museums, monuments, cruises, tours, and public transportation. You can buy the Paris Pass online or at various locations in Paris. The Paris Pass can save you money if you plan to visit many attractions in a short period of time. For example, a 2-day Paris Pass costs Euro 132 per adult, but it gives you access to attractions worth over Euro 350. Tip number 3. How to enjoy the food and culture of Paris. Paris is famous for its cuisine, which ranges from traditional dishes like croissants, baguettes, cheese, and wine, to modern fusion and ethnic food. You can find many restaurants, cafes, bakeries, markets, and street food vendors in Paris that offer delicious food for every taste and budget. Some of the best places to eat in Paris are Le Marais, Montmartre, Saint-Germain-des-Prés, and Latin Quarter. Paris is a city that will inspire you, surprise you, and enchant you. It is a city that will make you fall in love with it over and over again. I hope you enjoyed this video and found these tips helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.